Here are 5 reasons that you need to mulch your flower beds or veggie gardens. Number 1 is moisture control. If you have a nice thick layer of mulch in there, it's going to prevent soil evaporation from happening so fast and you can water way less frequently. Number 2 is it will help stop weed seeds from germinating. If you don't believe me, try this at your house. Mulch half your bed and leave the other half bare dirt and you will see a huge number of weeds on the bare dirt half compared to the mulch side. Number 3 is temperature regulations. So it will help keep the soil cool in the summer and keep it warm in the winter. Number 4 is mulch will break down over time and actually turn into a nice rich compost that will help enrich your soil. And number 5 is it looks great. Whenever you finish planting all of your shrubs, flowers, and veggies, putting a nice layer of mulch in there is going to make it look finished and professional. Take my shoes off after this. Are you filming? I got higher this time.